Now that the walls are prepared and the panels have acclimatized, we're ready to get installing.
For this wall, we know we're going to need 2 full panels, while using the other 2 panels as 2 smaller ones on the side, and we're going to avoid cutting on the V-groove.
To do that, find the center of your wall and measure it backwards by increments of 1200 mil. That will give you even cuts on both sides. Transfer the measurements to your panel and make sure to mark on the back side. This will help with a clean cut and avoid any splintering on the front side. We are going to place the board on top of 10mm spaces to allow for expansion. If you do install to walls that have cornices, make sure to cut the end of the board that will be closest to the floor and leave the manufacturer's edge to the top of the wall or to the cornice.
So, as you can see, our panel is level, but the wall isn't. We've got a massive gap at the top and nothing down the bottom, which means we're going to need to use a technique called scribing. Find your largest gap and find a piece of scrap that matches that exact width. Then, using that pencil and your scrap, mark the line the whole way down. Alright, take 2. We're back, we've scribed our piece in, fits beautifully now, it's time to fix it off.
Once you're happy with the fit, grab your adhesive and give it a generous amount around the edges and down the middle. Rest it on the spaces and push it into place. Hold for a few seconds and then grab your nails and hammer. Measure and mark up where the electrical needs to be pulled through and cut holes as required. Do a quick test to make sure and adjust anything before adding glue. Grab your next board and repeat the process, ensuring a good fit. All done.
All done.
That's all the boards installed perfectly.
And you can use these same techniques in any wall in your house.
Now to prep for painting.